Hi, I'm Michael from the Digital Marketing Institute. Over the next 60 seconds, I want to talk you through how our digital education programs can help transform your business and develop the skills of your staff. Digital's changing the way organisations do business, and we know that digital transformation is not easy. It takes more than just strategy. It requires the development of your people to turn that strategy into reality. At the Digital Marketing Institute, we understand the ins and outs of the digital landscape. We have the expertise and track record to partner with you and help build the digital capabilities within your organisation. Not only that, but we work with some of the world's most influential brands to ensure that our training is current, relevant, and reflects the needs of the industry. We've also trained and certified more professionals to a single digital education standard than any other certification body. Our education not only delivers the best in digital, but it's flexible. We have over 180 hours of e-learning content that can be integrated into your learning management system, which ensures that all of your staff are upskilled to the same level quickly. We can also support you with skills assessment, customised content, subject matter experts, and internal marketing support to drive engagement. If digital transformation is on your agenda, contact us today and let's see how we can support you to make that a success.